line's still here. I shouldn't even give him a thumbs up, really. Ole, mole. Wait, how much did I lose on that? 16? Yeah, I better not lose a lot. Fuck you, X-Lock, you fucking shitter. It's chopped. Avoid his teammate. I did 17,000 eels. Alright, game 8. Do you want to come in the next few games? Trust. If I don't get stuck with shitters like that. I asked them if they want to switch, they fucking ignore me. Like, we are the only one with microphones. Open VC. Oh shit, he's serious. Oh shit. How do I Bucky? Yeah, Chadwick. Chadwick played Bucky earlier and he was like, I want to die. Wait, refresh that shit. Fuck that. Oh, there you go. Where's my battle pass? 1,000? Let me get this. That's so cute. People get countered all game and continue with that character. It's sad. I mean, at least they tried to switch, but they didn't do shit. Charlie, thank you for the follow. I ordered a fat burn supplement and I got yoinked off my porch. You got the porch bandits, bro. What? 26 D2. Great. We have a Lord Luna. That's good. Okay, Groot. Jarvis load the 9. What the fuck? I ban Emma. Almost. Yeah, I was gonna say ban fucking Swirl Girl, but nah. What map is this? Krakoa? Ah, fuck. Maybe they needed it more than me. We order another one. I mean, it's like in a box that they can't see what it is, right? Oh fuck, double Emma ban. I never see a double Emma ban. What? You what? You what? Buns map. True. I had one good hook on the Strange the whole match and missed both ults. It's okay. When I first played Bucky, same here. Put me on DPS, I'm like, if you give an infinite calculator and told me to do advanced calculus. Okay, Chadwick, it's not that bad. Aw, they banned Iron Man and his name is Jarvis Null the 9. No. What does he play? Guess I forgot to turn off their alarm. Okay. Good morning, Riley. Tyler, thank you for the follow. Good morning. Peach yapping today? I yap every day, babe. Where you been? Legit me. Man. I'm probably mad as hell. Like, oh, we got something good. Opens it up. Fat burner. Man, fuck. I wonder if they actually keep the shit or if they, like, try to sell it or something. I don't know. Do you have, like, cameras? You should get cameras. Not that it would do anything, but just so you can watch them do it. Oh, we got a fan fucktastic. She called me bad. Yeah, but I didn't mean it. So. Look at that phallic ass sword. Okay, we have Luna Cloak. I could go invis, but I don't wanna. Look at her booty, dude. Look at that booty. Look at that booty. Look at that booty. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
When the X-Men call, Cloak and Dagger are glad to answer.
Oh boy. Cat backline. Oh, okay. Luna. Okay. Not gonna turn around or. Great, I have a great idea. I have a great feeling about this. I have a great feeling about this. I say backline, she doesn't even fucking look at me. If there's somebody backline, please patty cake with me. Thank you. Oh, great. I need heals.
Cat back guard, back guard. Let's go.
Ultron dead.
Ultron dead.
What's the board up?
What happened?
Bro, cap? Okay. This cap is just fucking us up in the backline and Luna don't even fucking look
Maybe
at me.
you just didn't see me.
Team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
If someone wants to go heal someone, I could go like Scarlet or something so I can get past cap.
No, I was the first one to die in the fight, and you, I don't know, I guess you just didn't see me on your right.
No, I didn't. I died.
No, I died first.
Oh.
Still bonds up.
Backline, backline.